Hi, Monique Burns coming to you from Detroit, Michigan. I'm in the middle of an investor tour. So when we know that an investor is serious, like this particular one is referred by another investor, we know she's buying a house. And she's been telling us, when can I come? When can I come? And I told her suddenly, all right, you got to come now. Because we have this house that's almost done. We have another house, which I'll show you the video here, that we're mid-renovation of, and we wanted her to see like a before and after. So this is the after. But I thought today, why don't I just film what our tours are like, just so you can see, and you can just see the progress of where we are with our different houses I've been videoing lately. So this is the one on LaSalle. It's already sold. We already have the buyer lined up. We've got the tenant lined up. We're waiting to hear from Section 8 if I got the amount of rent I'm after. So I went for a high amount to see, like, will Section 8 come back and say, oh, she can't afford that, but she can afford this. So that's what I'm after with that one. But anyway.
See that security door? Those are the kind of doors we'll put on that one we were just at. And the garage here is good. Obviously, there's a lot of landscaping that needs to be done. She's not doing it, but yeah, it's a good one. And this is why the judges leave people in houses. Oh, they're their homes. Look at the dog shit. Hello. Let's just throw the garbage down the basement steps.
Exactly. I'll be
Detroit
like,
is
no,
nice.
Detroit is really nice. It's not the same Detroit I saw.
Let's get inside and I'll show you the progress of this one.